weather is quite cloudy and we are on our way to Mondo convenienza because my 2-year-old has outgrown his baby crib and now he needs to get his own big boy bed, and that is what we are going to do. We are going to be adding his bed to the kids room, and for that we need to get a new room for the kids, and that is what we are going over to Mondo convenienza to get. We are going to get them their new set of bed and wardrobe. So if you want to know what kids room looks like in Mondo convenienza, I want you to keep watching, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and like this video. So friends, this is Mondo convenienza. We got here just about the time they are opening for the day. My husband went ahead and booked for us to be seen, and then I went over to the kids section. As you can see, they have all different type of stuffs here. They have stays for the living room, and this is where we got our living room stay. We got our kitchen here. We also got our sofa from this very place. As you can see, they have a lot of house. So this is the first room we are seeing here. It's a boys' room with a single bed. This room is so beautiful. And then this is another room. In this room there are 3 beds. This is one of the bed, and then 2 other beds over there, because the room that we are going to be designing for my kids is going to be a room with 3 beds. Just the bed for my daughter is going to be a bit bigger than the other 2 beds. And this is another room. You see the shelves, they are so beautiful. These rooms are so beautiful. I love all the rooms. So I just have to, one thing with Mondo convenienza, you can just look at the rooms, get your ideas of what you want your room to be like, and then they can readjust everything for you. So they are going to design that room for you, so you just come and look and get ideas. So I hope this video also gives you ideas on how, maybe if you are planning to make your kids room, this video gives you an idea of what you want your kids room to be like. I like this bed because it has drawers under it where you can also keep items, maybe kids shoes for your kids. And then this is so beautiful. The colors all blends together. I so much love this color, although the color I want for my daughter is going to be purple. We choose purple and blue for the boys, then purple, light purple actually for my daughter. So you see, this is a bed with this is a room with 2 beds, sorry. Yeah, and look at this beautiful shelf. Oh my goodness, can you see that? So beautiful. I so much love that shelf. I can't get tired of looking at it. And this is look at this bed now. This is a single bed. This is a single bed. See how beautiful it is, the combination of green and white. This is so good. So these are the kids room here. They are all beautiful. You have to, you just have to choose something for yourself. They are all beautiful. And this is the type of color that we choose for my daughter. This is purple, light purple, you see. So beautiful. And this is a single room, with all the wardrobe. Now when you're getting a room from Mondo convenienza, it does not mean that this is how it's going to be. You are going to customize it. That's the word, customizing it to what you want. You can just choose maybe this bed and the wardrobe there. Then they are all beautiful. They are all, and I just love these side shelves. I just love it. And this is a room with 2 beds. Maybe you have 2 kids and you want to make a bed for them. This arrangement is so perfect. Yeah, so wonderful. Yeah, no, and this is another. This is the type of this room looks like the type we designed for my kids. Yeah, because it has these stairs. These stairs you're seeing there, that is how the two bed there, that is how the two bed for my son is, while my daughter's bed will just be like this one under the cupboard there. But the difference is that this bed, my daughter's bed, is bigger than that one. It looks like the one we got the ideas. They're just looking at the ones they have here. We were able to get something for them. Like this one looks like the one for my two sons. Yeah, one up, one down, and then the stairs for him to climb to get to his bed. Yeah, so beautiful. I love all of them. I like all of them, and this beautiful light. So nice, so nice. Wow, I just love that mirror by the side. I love it for girls' room. Wow, this is so good. Yeah, look at the mirror. I had to go and take a proper look. Yeah, so beautiful. Everything is well designed and blended, you know. And these cupboards, I just love them. I just love those cupboards by the wall. You know, to add these cupboards to your room is going to cost extra, so we didn't get those. But I like it, but we didn't. So these are the kids' room in Mondo convenienza. This is the color we choose for the boys. Yeah, just something like this is what we did. Yeah, just this type of arrangement, just a little difference. It's not exactly the same, yeah, but kind of something like that. Because that room has 3 beds, so what the one we want also have, we want a room with 3 beds. So these are the stuffs in the kids' room in Mondo convenienza. Yeah, I so much love this thing by the side. You can just use it to decorate your kids' room. And this is the this is a single bed. This is a room for one child. A room for one child. I just love this chair and this table. The child can do their homework there. Yes, this is the type of bed we got for my daughter. This is the type of bed, a bit bigger than the other little beds. Yeah, this type of bed we got for her. So I think this is about the end of this video. So this is what they have for kids, and you know, Mondo convenienza, you can always, these are just for you to get ideas. So this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Until we meet again next time. Bye bye.